I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making pig and tater bars. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Recently, my daughter bought me a special treat, a Hammond Pigs and Taters bar. It's a chocolate bar with bacon bits and potato chips. She said that if I liked it, maybe I could make it into an RMC episode. Well, I did, and so I am. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own pig and tater bars, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. And if you stick around after the recipe, I'll tell you why this episode is kind of special. For this recipe, I used 3 strips of bacon, 13 grams of potato chips, and 285 grams of chocolate. I'm also using a skillet, a silicone bowl, a bench scraper, and a mold. Okay, let's make some candy. Fry up the bacon. I normally don't care for extra crispy bacon, but I think this recipe calls for it. Cut the bacon into small pieces. Crumble the potato chips. Don't go overboard on this though, you don't want powder. Temper the chocolate. And mix in the bacon pieces and potato chips. Add the mixture to the mold. And use the bench scraper to remove the excess chocolate. Allow the chocolate to rest on the counter until it's set. Then remove the bars from the mold. And that's it. Okay, let's give it a try. Slanchiva. Oh yeah, that's good. Snappy, well-tempered chocolate, crunchy bacon and chips, sweet, salty, and smoky. Just a fabulous flavor combo here. If you'd like a sweet treat that's a little bit savory, you really ought to try these. Happy birthday to RMC! Last weekend was the 2nd anniversary of RMC's debut episode. Can you believe it? I'll tell you what, the only reason I'm still doing this is because of you. Especially those of you who've left comments. You're the ones who keep me excited about this and give me a reason to keep going. Every episode is a sign of my gratitude for your support. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll be here for the 3rd anniversary episode. And use the bench scraper to remove the excess crunchy bacon and chips, sweet, salty,